assignment. There is a common address assignment here. We use big Indian assignment and little Indian assignment. These are assigning addresses to the memory bytes. We either use big Indian assignment or little Indian assignment. We'll see what is big Indian. When lower byte addresses are given to MSP, that is lower byte addresses is starting from 0 to 8, 0 to whatever the end is. We give the minimum, that is 0, to the most significant bit. To the leftmost bit, it is called as big Indian assignment. When we give the lower addresses to the LSB, that is rightmost bit, it is called as little Indian assignment. Accessing numbers. How will you access numbers from the memory? Number occupies one word. One word. The number, or number, if you want to write it in the memory, it will occupy one word. It is accessed by giving the word address. See, these are word addresses. If you want to access the number stored in this word, you will give the word address as 0. Likewise, the number is accessed from the memory. And then accessing character. How will you access a character? Characters can be accessed by their byte address. Characters will have will be stored in bytes. So if you want to access that character, the byte address can be given. So these are the byte addresses. If you want to access a number, you use word address. If you want to access a character, you give this byte addresses. And then accessing character string. What is a character string? A group of characters together is called as character string. String is accessed by giving the address of the first character of the string. How will you access this character string? Is or string இப்போ ஒரு name, take it online. Online means it is a string. It is a combination of characters. It's called a string. Online அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு வார்த்தையை உங்களுக்கு மெமரியில இருந்து எடுக்கணும்னா what you do is you give the address of the first character, that is O. You give the address of O so that you can fetch the character string from the memory. So how will you tell that it is the end of the string? Online abdina, it ends with E, right? So if you want to stop the processor to fetch the data when it reaches E, so how will you give that? Means you use a special control called end of string. End of string to denote that the string, that the word has been end. ஒரு வேர்ட் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு அப்படிங்கறத ப்ராசஸருக்கு how will you tell அப்படின்னா it uses a special control called end of string.